Need to come on, baby. An old friend of what? You get to see the goods, the bads, the uglies.
Usually we call it Friday.
You're gonna end up seeing what everyday lifestyle is in the shop. All right, so today you're gonna end up seeing what everyday lifestyle is in the shop. You get to see the goods, the bads, the uglies. It's just everyday service in the shop, the madness that happens in this building. This here happens daily, and I don't like it. Because you work all day, and you feel like you got nothing accomplished, and then you come over here, and it looks like a bomb went off. So if there's anybody looking for a job that wants to just come and clean benches, pick up my yard, and just talk to Neil when he gets mad, sweep floors, throw empty trash, give us a call. We do have fun here once in a while.
I am removing a trim center and installing a new one.
Hey,
Nope.
do that again. Because you're like, you know what you sound like right there?
What?
I am removing. You sound like
A robot. I am removing a trim center and installing a new one. Sound like that lady on the phone. Can I help you? Let me transfer you to fishing department. Thank you.
fishing net 4x1. 4x1. Thank you. This is OSHA approved. This is what you open boxes with. That way you don't cut yourself. That's what we are here. We are OSHA approved here at Team Marine. Whatever you do, definitely OSHA approved.
OSHA. OSHA for all of theirs. This boat went to the bottom 4 years ago. A big lake. Ripped a hole in the side of it. And it runs again. Magic.
This is kind of what you have to do when you're the boss, you know what I mean? I won't take her away from what she's doing, because she's doing such a fine job. You can film that if you want to.
Bring it back after Labor Day, when you're done voting.
Yeah.
You're not going to use it in November.
Hi, Sam.
Hi.
How are you doing today? You want me to clean your hair? Just right
What do
here.
I got?
You got like a patch that's just like heading towards your eyebrow. I mean, you're an inch from your eyebrow.
It is not.
Shut up. Let me go
Sorry.
with this. Powerful pumps are what? Beep.
Oh, making a list of everything that's bad on that boat. See if the guy wants to fix it. The rest of the way.
I'm gonna go get another boat. What do you mean it's on? Is the key on? Yeah, key's on. Neil? No. They're good. Plug it in. Did you get them?
Don't remember you did. All right, today's Friday. Usually we call it Friday because all hell breaks loose on Fridays. 2 days I hate the most: Mondays, Fridays, because everything doesn't want to work. No.
No. Watch this. You ready? That's not supposed to be in there. That's why my trim motor doesn't go up or down. Oh wait, look at. Here, come here closer. Here. You guys smell. Smell that? Smells very warm. This fluid came out. That the clear liquid stuff that keeps the barrier between.
No. It smells warm. Yucky.
They can't smell, but I smell.
Wet.
Okay, I'm gonna dry this out. I'm gonna fix these O-rings. I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna clean this all up. And maybe it'll go. I'm gonna be a happy guy. Two, three. It works. I gotta get this done because you're yelling at me.
Go bye-bye, go fishing.
We had Sam over here doing some summarization, some easy stuff to get him back in the swing of things because, well, sometimes it takes a little bit to get back going. Then we had Neil finishing up a job that we had started, and I did some jack plate work. That jack plate wasn't working. It had a little, how do you say, biodegradable fluid in it, water. But I think besides that, it was just a common day of bringing them in, diagnosing them, ordering parts, making sure stuff's flowing and moving so the money comes in.
So we came in today, had a pretty gravy day. Ended up just summarizing a couple of boats. It's Friday, it's 5 o'clock, and I want my paycheck.
Yeah, today was a pretty light day. You know, maybe the water was up high. You know, we got caught up over the couple days, but you know, it was pretty light. Looking forward to the weekend, and that's about it. We're ready to rock. Stay tuned for next week's episode, and as always, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to witness the madness we call speed, money, and no brakes.
Well, you know what that would have done? Tink! Tink! 4 people dead.